Rally for Restaurants is a program that we set up with a college to invite restaurants to come and work with our students, serving the food that is special to their restaurants and give them an opportunity to raise a little bit more money during this pandemic. Restaurants play an integral part of our community. So now it's time for us to pay it forward to these restaurants and help them out. It has been overwhelming. It has been awe-inspiring. It has been, heartwarming to see everybody want these businesses to succeed and to be able to help them.
We're just super appreciative for the opportunity to come in here and contribute, and also accept, the initiative that you guys have put forth, and to work with the kids. It should be a good event for the, I think the people that signed up for this are going to really be in for a treat for sure.
Just want to talk about how much it means to us to have Rally for Restaurants going, and to know that we have the support of our community around us. We're doing our best, and we still need you guys.
I think this program is really cool because since our class is Cuisines of the World, what better way to learn Cuisines of the World by having a different chef every week? So I'm really excited to get back in here, and not only to be learning more with my chefs, but other chefs as well. This is just a really great experience for us students to have, and I think it's also a benefit to the chefs that are coming in too. So I think it's so cool that it's mutually beneficial to the school, the students, and the local restaurants.
I want to thank Stephanie and Susan, Mark, Dr. Murray, all the students, and anyone involved at Lackawanna College who has generously donated their time and energy to putting this event on. There's few places like Scranton where you see a community rally around each other in times of need. It's been the bright spot in an otherwise dark year.